October is a month when experts advise you to look into estate planning. Expecting the unexpected is crucial when it comes to protecting your family in the event of death. And joining us more to talk about this is attorney Alan Freer. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
Alan, let's talk about a topic many people don't want to talk about, is planning for the unexpected, especially tragedy.
Yeah, it's no fun to plan for tragedy. People always stay away from it, but you know, planning now is better because it allows you to think about what you want to do with your plans at the end of the life and with managing your assets, as opposed to doing it when, you know, most people come in with a plan and start thinking about it in the middle of a tragedy, you know, a loved one's passed away or something like that. And so it's an emotional time, and that's when they start thinking about it. So better to plan when things are going well.
Yeah, that's very true. And is it ever too early to start planning when it comes to estate planning? Because that's really what we're talking about.
No, it's never too early, because think about it in terms of life stages. If you're a young couple and you're just getting married and you're just having kids, you're going to want to have plans to take care of your children when you're not here. When you're middle-aged and you start having your business or you have started acquiring some assets, that's when you're going to want to start planning about who's going to manage my assets when I'm gone, and how are those going to be distributed. And then when you're in your later stages of your life, the focus changes more to who's going to care for me, how do I want to be cared for, and what types of end-of-life decisions do I want to have.
And essentially there is, start planning now.
Yes, it's never too early.
It's never too early.
Always start.
Let's talk about people who have maybe already started looking into estate planning. There's wills, there's trusts. What is the difference? Yeah,
so wills take effect when you pass away, and it goes through a probate process. Trusts allow you to manage your assets during your lifetime, and it gives you a lot of flexibility. Nevada is probably the greatest state in the nation for doing different types of trusts. You can have trusts for anything from protecting your assets, managing your business, taking care of pets or guns even.
Wow, and a lot of people think estate planning, that has to do with people who have a lot of money, have a lot of real estate, stuff like that, and that's not actually the case here.
No, it's
like you were saying, things like guns, pets, stuff like that, your children.
So it's very flexible, and one of the things we find when people come in, people end up having a lot more assets than they think of. Once you factor in your house, your retirement assets such as 401ks and pensions, people end up having more than they think, but also there are additional considerations too with respect to managing family relationships or caring for family members with special needs.
Well, thank you, Alan, for coming by and just talking about an important topic people probably don't like to talk about, just breaking it down for us. And of course, we'll have all these tips on our website, ktmv.com. Thanks for coming in again.
Thank you very much.
And stay with us.